Wait, did someone just delete 17 million SHIB overnight? And why are the big whales suddenly scooping up 631 billion SHIB while prices are still down? Is something huge about to happen? In today's video, I will be answering these questions and telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Welcome to Crypto Daily, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shiba news and predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shiba news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 31st of March, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,242 units, and its price is down 1.5% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of 227 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over 7.31 billion, ranking it as the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Large Shiba Inu holders amass 631 B+ SHIB in 3 days as positive flows recover despite price slump. Large Shiba Inu holders appear to have resumed accumulation, adding a substantial amount of SHIB over the last 3 days despite the price slump. The broader crypto market has not fared well in recent times, and Shiba Inu has been one of the victims of this downturn despite relative resilience. The meme coin has slumped 7.27% over the past week, with a 3.73% drop in the last 24 hours. This bearish pressure has been consistent since the 27th of March, as SHIB has witnessed 4 consecutive intraday losses for the second time this month. With a 3% drop this morning, the asset is on track to secure a 5th consecutive intraday loss for the first time since January. Large Shiba Inu holders amass 631 B+ in 3 days. However, it appears large Shiba Inu holders are unbothered by the latest losses. Notably, these investors witnessed massive net outflows on the 26th of March and 27 as the latest bearish pressure began. However, since then the tables have turned, with large holders persistently adding to their bags. Since the 28th of March, large Shiba Inu holdership witnessed positive net flows, suggesting that inflows have outpaced outflows within this period. Particularly, Into the Block data shows that these addresses, holding at least 0.1% of SHIB's circulating supply, amassed 165.51 billion tokens on Friday, the 28th of March. This accumulation trend spill into the next day, with these addresses copping an extra 148.6 billion SHIB on the 29th of March. Further, they stepped up their game on the 30th of March, accumulating 317.63 billion SHIB. Cumulatively, these large Shiba Inu holders have amassed 631.74 billion SHIB tokens worth over $7.58 million in the past 3 days. Positive net flows resume. In an interesting twist, outflows from these addresses have continued to drop, even as inflows spike. As a result, net flows have been positive within these past 3 days. Specifically, from the 28th of March to 30, large Shiba Inu holders have seen 276.28 billion, worth $3.3 million in positive net flows. Notably, the bulk of these net inflows, amounting to 206.93 billion SHIB, occurred yesterday, the 30th of March, despite Shiba Inu's price crash. Further data from Into the Block confirms this accumulation trend, but indicates that smaller investors are also adding to their balance. In particular, investors holding between 10 million and 100 billion SHIB, and those holding 10 trillion to 100 trillion tokens, had a balance of 266.36 trillion SHIB on the 28th of March. This balance is now 266.6 trillion tokens, marking an increase of 240 billion SHIB within this period. This trend will likely prevent steeper declines for SHIB, especially if buying pressure supersedes selling pressure in the near term. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu currently changes hands at $0.0001201 at press time, down by a massive 43% year to date, but up 16% since November 2024. SHIB burns jump 750%. As 17,127,069 SHIB get kicked out of circulation. Data shared by popular platform shows tremendous increase in SHIB burn rate. The SHIB community continues its regular attempts to make a noticeable dent in the circulating Shiba Inu supply by burning these meme coins. Yet another large token burn has been conducted during the past day. In the meantime, the SHIB team has issued a critical warning regarding scammers who are trying to impersonate Shiba Inu lead Satoshi Kusama. SHIB burns soar 750%. According to data published on the Shiban website, over the last 24 hours, the community has succeeded in giving the SHIB burn rate a significant rise of almost 750%. This increase came as a result of 17,127,069 SHIB meme coins burned in total. The largest amount of coins transferred to an unspendable wallet in a single move here constituted 16,274,641 SHIB, and it occurred roughly 16 hours ago. The second biggest transfer was less than even 1 million meme coins, comprising 792,393 SHIB. 2 billion SHIB burned last week. Per tweets published by the same data source last week, the meme coin community witnessed the destruction of a staggering 2 billion SHIB tokens. They were burned in chunks, slightly surpassing 1 billion SHIB, with a 2-day pause in between. The second transfer was even spotted by the SHIB team and highlighted on the X platform by their marketing lead, Lucy. She confirmed that the anonymous whale who made the 1 billion SHIB burn last Thursday also stood behind the similar token removal made on Monday. That proved to be the account of the meme coin Cent that runs on Shibarium. SHIB team issues big Kusama warning. On Sunday, the @Susparium X account affiliated with the Shiba Inu team addressed the SHIB community with an important warning, mentioning the name of pseudonymous Shiba Inu-led Satoshi Kusama. The tweet warned the SHIB army to beware of fake profiles on social media claiming to be Kusama or any other official SHIB team representatives. They will not match the verified tone or style, the warning said. The tweet added that it is always crucial to check for authenticity and verify information directly with trusted sources. As for Satoshi Kusama last week, he finally broke the silence he kept on the X platform for more than a month, stating that he had a very interesting journey. Kusama added that he had asked his astrologer analyze it for him. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comments section below. Let's praise the SHIB holders for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your reviews on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.